What's up everyone, I'm Ashleen and welcome back to my channel. So on Tuesday, I posted a video of me busking and street performing in my city. So street performing is something that I've been doing every week this summer. So once a week, I go to this local park in the city that I live in and I perform there. And in today's video, I want to post the equipment that I use, like the amp that I use, the microphone, the mic stand, the guitar, all that kind of stuff. So if that's something you're interested in and you're someone yourself who wants to like get into street performing or busking but aren't too sure in what kind of equipment to get, that's what I wanted to talk about in this video, and hopefully it's helpful for you. And also in the description box below, I'll have links to where I've gotten my equipment and the Amazon links as well if it's something that you want to purchase online. Alright guys, so if you're interested in what kind of busking equipment I use for street performing, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so first I'm going to show you my guitar. So this is the guitar that I use. It is a Yamaha APX T200 acoustic guitar, and it's a plug-in. And this is one that I traded in. I had a bigger guitar before and I traded it in for a smaller one. So this is definitely a smaller body. I don't know if you can tell just by the video, but I just find since I'm petite, smaller guitars are easier for me to like hold and play. So yeah, and it also has a plug-in here. I think it's on this side. Yeah, this is the plug-in here, so you can plug it into, so I plug it into my amp, and that's how I busk outdoors. And yeah, it's really cool. It's really portable, and it also actually comes with a case, so that's what I'll show you next here. Alright, so this is the case that it comes with. So it's a soft case. It's really easy to carry the guitar around in. It has a front zipper here where I put like my capo and like guitar picks in there. It has a handle on the side, and also on the back, if I can show you here, it has like a strap here, so you can hang it actually over your shoulder, and it's really easy to like transport, and it can also be hands-free if you just put this over your shoulder if you need something else to carry. So yeah, that's the guitar case that this guitar comes with. And I'll have a link in the description box below where I got this from. You could probably find this also on the Yamaha website. I bought this specifically from a store in Canada called Long & McQuaid. Again, I traded it in for, I had a bigger guitar before and I traded in for this one, so it was cheaper for me for doing that. But yeah, I'll just include the link in the description box below. Alright, so the next piece of equipment I use is my amp for busking. So this is the amp. It's a Bose, I think it's S1 Pro. What is it called? So this amp is specifically called I think it's the Bose S1 Pro system amp. I'll have the link in the description box below of where I bought it, but I actually bought this used, so it was a bit cheaper for me. And it's actually really easy to carry around. This also comes with a backpack that I purchased that I'll show you guys next. But first, just to show you the amp. So there's actually a handle on top here, so it's really easy to carry around. And just to turn it around here, it's a little scratched up, but just to turn it around here, these are all like the different controls. So there's two inputs. One I use for my guitar, and one I use for the microphone. And also this is a Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone and play music off of like Spotify or iTunes by just like clicking this button here. So that's pretty cool. And this is something that you have to charge to use, which makes it really easier to use when you're out and about performing, because you don't need something to plug this amplifier into. You just charge it at home and it's battery powered, and then it will last like your whole performance if you're performing like for an hour or so. So that's another thing that I really like about it. And just on the side here, it just has like the volume and stuff like that. So yeah, overall this is a really good amp. I'll put in the description box below like the price. I think I paid like for a used one like $500 or something like that. But yeah, I'll put the link in the description box below. And I also purchased this from Long & McQuaid if you're a Canadian and you know that music store. Alright, and this is the backpack that I purchased separately for my amp. So this I purchased directly from Oh, I think this was from the music store that I bought the same amp from, but it didn't come with the amp, so I had to buy it separately. And I'll put the link in the description box below again for this one. But yeah, it's really handy to have this backpack because it has a lot of places where you can carry it. So like, of course it's a backpack, so it has like, here, let me just turn it around. It has like the 2 straps in the back to carry it like a backpack, but also if you want to carry it from up above, if you zip it up, and there's like padding like here in the back, which is nice. Let me just, oh, this is kind of hard with one hand. Okay, this is what it looks like inside, so very spacious. It basically just fits the amp in there, but also it has this compartment on top here, and oh gosh, okay, let me try opening this up. But it has another compartment here on top where I put like my microphone and like my guitar cable in here and like the microphone cable. So yeah, it's like has like a nice compartment on top where you can like carry other pieces of equipment that you need for street performing. So yeah, that's what I really like about it. It has some like smaller pockets here on the side, I think on this side as well, which is nice. And yeah, I would really recommend if you do purchase the Bose amp to also purchase the backpack as well, because it just makes it easier to carry around. Alright, so next is the microphone that I use, and this is the cable. It doesn't come with the microphone, you can detach it, but I just have it attached here. So the microphone I use, I actually purchased a used one as well. So this is the microphone I use, it's the SHURE SM58. I purchased this from Long & McQuaid as well, along with this cable that comes, so you plug it in here, and then you plug the other side into the amplifier. And this is, I think it's a Yorkville microphone cable, so I'll have it in the description box below. So yeah, I think the cable was about like $20. I don't remember how much exactly the microphone was, but I'll have the link in the description box below. So yeah, it's a really good microphone to use if you're just like starting off busking. That's why I purchased it, and the cable is quite long, so it can stretch quite long, like from your amp to like your mic stand. So yeah, I really like this microphone. Okay, so this is the cable that I use to plug into my guitar, and this is also a Yorkville like instrument cable, and the other side I plug into the amplifier. So this cable is a little bit shorter, but that's okay because I don't really stretch too far from my amplifier. So yeah, this cable is really good. Again, a really nice like beginner one. I think this was very inexpensive. I got this from Long & McQuaid. It was, I think, like $13 or something like that. Again, just in the description box below, I'll have the link. But yeah, this is a really nice beginner's cable to use if you're just starting off busking. All right, so next is the trolley that I use. So this is the trolley that I use to like carry my equipment. It's really convenient to have a trolley like this because I can put like my amplifier on here, my mic stand, whatever. That's kind of all the things I put actually on this trolley. But it's really good because it's like, it has like the 2 wheels like in the back, so you can just like tilt it like this and then just push it along. And then it has like the handle where if you press this button, this part extends, or this part extends. So that makes it nice to like push it. It makes it a lot easier. This I got from specifically a Canadian store called Canadian Tire, but I'm sure you can find this on Amazon. I'll link in the description box below. Some places on Amazon you can probably purchase this, but yeah, having a trolley I think is like really important to carrying your equipment if you are a street performer. It just makes it a lot easier. Alright, so the last piece of equipment that I have here is my microphone stand. So this I purchased online. So the company I purchased this online from is called AirTurn, and it's a really good microphone stand because it's very compactable and very like portable, and that's why I purchased it. So it comes with 2 parts. This part is called, I think, like the boom or something like that. So basically the part where you attach like the part where the microphone goes on. So that's just this part right here. So you purchase that separately from their website. And I think this part is like $15 US. And then the actual stand part going down, so it has like the 3 like legs here. That part is, I think, is about $50 US. So yeah, not too bad. You can purchase it probably for like, that's under like $100. So and the fact that it's like very like compact, when I fold it up and like put it on my trolley to carry around, it makes it really easier to like transport my material, especially because this is so like compact. So yeah, this is a mic stand that has been helping me out as a busker, and I really recommend purchasing this because it's pretty awesome. And just to give you an idea of what it looks like all folded up, this is what it looks like. So it's quite compact. Everything literally like folds together. Yeah, everything literally just folds together. So it makes it a lot easier to transport around. Alright guys, and I just quickly set it up here. So this is what my like setup would look like when I'm street performing. So I have like my guitar, obviously. I have it plugged into the amp. This is my mic stand, and this is the microphone attached to it. So yeah, it attaches very nicely. You can obviously adjust it to the height that you want. And then I have like everything plugged into like my amp here. So like the microphone and the guitar. So yeah, and then the amplifier there. So yeah, it's really quick, like a really quick setup because there's not too much involved. The main things are obviously the amplifier, the mic stand, the microphone, and the guitar, and then just the cables. So yeah, that's just like my setup here. Very, very easy, very simple. And again, I will have everything in the description box below, all the links of where you can like purchase these online, and like the prices and stuff like that. Alright guys, so that was my video in what busking equipment that I use. I hope it was helpful for you, and let me know in the comments below if it was helpful, if you have any suggestion and other equipment maybe that you use as a street performer. I would love to know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then click that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.